Welcome to our guide on testing IoT systems. In this video, we will explore the essential strategies and tools you need to ensure your Internet of Things applications are robust, secure, and reliable. So, what exactly is IoT testing? It is the process of verifying that your IoT devices perform as expected. Unlike standard software, this involves checking three distinct layers: the physical hardware, the software or firmware running on it, and the network connectivity that ties it all together. Testing IoT comes with unique hurdles. First, connectivity can be unreliable. Devices might lose signal or switch networks unexpectedly. Second, the hardware is incredibly diverse, with thousands of different sensors and chips. Finally, security is paramount, as every connected device is a potential entry point for hackers. To manage this complexity, we use the testing pyramid. It suggests a balanced approach. You should build a broad foundation of unit tests, followed by a middle layer of integration tests, and finally, a smaller, focused capstone of field or system tests. Let's start at the bottom with unit testing. This involves testing individual functions in isolation. The biggest challenge here is that your code often relies on hardware sensors that aren't attached to your computer. The solution is mocking, where we simulate sensor data in software to test the logic without the physical device. There are great tools available for this. CppUTest is excellent for resource-constrained embedded systems written in C or C++. PyTest is a favorite for Python-based edge computing, while Google Test is an industry standard for robust C++ applications. Moving up the pyramid, we have integration testing. This ensures that your device talks correctly to the outside world. For example, when a sensor reads a temperature, does that data successfully travel through the gateway and appear correctly on your cloud dashboard? For integration testing, you will need specialized tools. Postman is perfect for testing the API endpoints your devices communicate with. Tools like MQTT.fx allow you to see the raw messages being published by your devices. And Wireshark helps you analyze the network packets deeply to debug connection issues. Finally, we have field testing. You cannot rely solely on the lab. You must test in the real world to see how factors like extreme temperatures, rain, or physical obstructions affect your device. This is also the only way to accurately measure battery life under actual usage conditions. Throughout all these stages, security is non-negotiable. You must verify that data is encrypted both when stored and when traveling over the network. Ensure you have removed any default passwords and disabled physical debugging ports that attackers could use. To wrap up, remember these best practices. Start small with unit tests and mocked hardware. Use tools like Postman to verify communication. Always perform field tests to check battery and network resilience. And finally, automate your security checks to keep your users safe.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.